Hi, my name is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney who focuses on birth injuries throughout the country. I'm continuing my series on birth injuries with series 4, which is brachial plexus injuries or Erb's palsy. I now want to go over the prognosis of Erb's palsy. The long-term outlook for brachial plexus birth injuries varies. The best case scenarios, by 1 to 2 years old, the child has regained almost full function of the arm, and only a careful exam would detect any residual weakness. These children can go on to have normal strength and activity. In other cases, there may be some lingering weakness in the shoulder or arm, or slightly limited range. For example, they may not be able to rotate the arm outward or lift it above the head. A smaller subset of children, typically those with more severe nerve damage, may have permanent impairment in the arm. This could mean a child is unable to fully use one arm for heavy tasks, or the arm may have reduced growth in severe cases, and this affected arm can grow a bit shorter or with smaller muscles if nerve input is poor. However, even children with persistent Erb's palsy, they can often learn to adapt. They may use the affected arm as a helper and rely on the other arm for fine tasks. It's important to encourage bilateral use as much as possible during the development so they can gain maximum function. Emotionally, parents may worry if their child will be able to play sports or have a normal childhood with an arm that had Erb's palsy. Rest assured, many children with even moderate residual Erb's palsy participate in activities. You might be surprised how well a young child can compensate and find ways to do what they want to do. Early physical and occupational therapy can also help child development strength and adaptive techniques. For instance, learning to button a shirt one-handed if needed or improving grip. Peer support from other Erb's palsy families can show you inspiring examples of children who've overcome limitations. If you have a child that's been affected by this condition and you're considering your legal options, it's a good idea to just call an attorney and, like myself, who handles birth injuries, because we can review your records and determine if you have a viable claim. If you do, we can sit down with you and explore your legal options and show you the road path forward to a potential recovery for you and your family moving forward. Again, these can be very helpful. Compensation can help you, attain care for your child long term and can give you peace of mind that the needs of your child will be taken care of for many years in the future. If you would like to do that consultation, I'm always happy to help. You can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.